Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Revo Sport Air one-piece race suit. Okay, the Revo Sport Air retails for $5.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing first. How tall are you? What do you weigh?
Sizing. I'm 5'11". I'm 150 pounds, and I am wearing a size small.
Size small. Overall, I would say you're getting a really good fit.
Fits pretty solid, yeah, without a doubt. I mean, I am a little bit tall for this suit, but I mean, in the legs, if I say in the chest, it fits pretty decent. I'm honestly happy with it. Not super baggy in the waist.
No, it's good.
Yep.
It's got a nice cut. If we're equating this to a Euro US size, I would probably call this one a 50 Euro, 40 US. Would you agree with that?
Somewhat, I'd say in between. I'd say 40, 50 for sure.
Dad's always right.
Dad's always right.
Dad's always right. Okay, what do we got here? We've got fully perforated. Look at the front of this suit. Maximum perforation, tons of stretch fabric is used, stretch panels, perforation here in the bicep area, replaceable elbow slider. If you can get low enough to drag that thing, we can get you a replacement. Exterior shoulder slider, back of the suit, large motion panels used. This suit does not utilize a race hump. There's actually a lot of riders out there that prefer no race hump. This is a suit produced without one. Maximum perforation in this area once again for tremendous ventilation. Large motion panel used here at the waist. Stretches all the way around the front to the hips. Got an expansion panel down here in the calf area. You need a little bit extra room. You can zip that open. There's some mesh behind it.
And I will say, I'm going to interrupt you, usually with my suits and any suit if I'm trying on, it can be a 52. I have larger calves and I have problems zipping it up.
Cankles,
yeah.
Yep.
But I'm built like the miniature.
Hey,
version
Dad,
of
can you zip my suit?
No.
If I had a nickel for every time. Hey, Dad, can you zip up the...
Happens all the time. Maybe when it breaks in, it's okay. But with this suit, I did not need any help, which was nice. So.
Which was nice, for sure. Protection in the suit. We've got Nox armor used throughout the suit. It's all good quality level 1 stuff. In the shoulder, elbow, forearm. It's got a nice piece in the hip.
Very nice.
As well as the knee and shin. Got a motion panel here over the knee. Replaceable Cortech knee slider. What else do we got? Little stretch fabric is used up here in the collar of the suit, the chest area, and you can see too what they did is they took the stretch panel from the back of the suit, wrapped it all the way around to the chest, and it intersects with some stretch fabric that is being used in the chest area that then attaches to that used inside the inner arm. How is the mobility on this?
Mobility in the suit's honestly strong. I'm pleased with it, so.
And this is a little more of an upright cut suit.
Without a doubt.
This is going to be great for somebody like doing track days, riding at the Dragon, maybe even if you're just going to kind of dip your toes in the water and do a little weir and novice stuff, you're looking for an affordable suit, this is going to be a good option for just that. If you like what you see, but you want a little more information, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to get this thing off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. From the inside out, the Cortech Revo Sport Air one-piece race suit. Comes with fully removable mesh liner, right? You want to wash this, hand wash it, mild detergent, line dry. Do not throw it in the dryer. Comes with a foam insert in the back protector area that's integrated into that liner that I just showed you. This is not CE certified. We recommend with race suits, if you're not using an airbag, what you're going to want to do is get a full coverage back protector that has waist and or shoulder straps. If you prefer not to do that and you want to go with an insert, the Nox insert in the Cortech armor section of our website is going to fit nicely in this pocket and it'll get you CE certified coverage in that area. The rest of the suit comes with CE certified level 1 Nox armor. This is good quality stuff. Here is our shoulder profile, knee and shin, elbow, forearm, nice, comfortable, moldable, flexible stuff. And it also comes with a very nice piece right there in the hip. Focusing on the shell of the suit itself, start off on the back side of it. I've already talked about this quite extensively in the first part of the video. This suit Has tremendous perforation, which is going to appeal to a lot of riders. You can see this massively perforated panel here on the backside. The suit does not have a race hump. Realistically, that's not a big deal at all. Many people prefer to ride with suits that do not have a race hump. You got large motion panels here on both sides in the shoulder blade area. Large motion panel here at the waist. That rolls all the way over to the front in the hip area. Integrated tailbone protectors are stitched into the multiple layers of leather that are used here in the seat. That is a high abrasion area. You get down to the lower leg. Abrasion and tear resistant stretch fabric is used. You've got a calf expansion zipper panel here, right? It's got a little vent built into it too, so if you need a little more room in the calves, you can open that up. You need a little more ventilation down there, you can open that up too. I don't know why you would really need to ventilate, because there's tremendous perforation with this race suit. Get to the sleeve of the suit. Replaceable elbow slider. God bless if you can corner low enough to drag that thing and you want a new one, we can get that done for you. A lot of additional protection found in the elbow area of the suit by using this stitched over protector. Got a motion panel here in the elbow, fully perforated panel here in the upper arm. Integrated shoulder slider goes over top of the Nox armor that we showed you. That's going to work in concert to amplify the protection in that area. The same abrasion and tear resistant stretch fabric that we showed you in the lower body of the suit is found here in the inner arm, intersects with the piece that's used up here in the chest and the underarm area as well. Get to the front of the suit. Large perforated panel. Tremendous airflow with this one. We've got some stretch fabric up here at the top. It's going to add to the comfort a little bit, also flow air freely. You can see the stretch panels that are done in leather roll all the way over into the chest to really help this suit move well on the rider and be as unrestricted as humanly possible. Get down to the leg of the suit. Large perforated panel up here in the upper thigh area. Large panel of stretch fabric is used. That stuff's going to flow air freely as well. It comes all the way up into the hips. Nice motion panel here is found in the knee and shin area. Replaceable Cortech knee slider. Perforated panel down here in the lower leg. Get inside the suit. We'll just give you a quick look at some of the stitching. Of course, all the seams are safety stitched. Cortech's been around a long time. They do a great job. They make quality garments. This is another fine example of just that. The suit's retail at $5.99 is very reasonably priced. Here's your 2 layers of leather found here in the seat. You'll also find multiple layers here in the forearm area as well to amplify protection. That's kind of an abrasion zone. What do I think? You know, when you're talking about a suit at this price point, this is maybe a little bit less technical than others that sell for $2,000, right in that range. This is a good quality suit that comes from a quality brand that has a long established track record of producing good apparel. Tremendous value with this. This is going to be a great item for somebody who's looking to get into doing some track days. Maybe you're going to the Dragon, you want a good one-piece suit to do that with. Excellent option for sure. You could even use this if you're just starting off club racing, you're going to hit a couple of races, working on a budget. This provides another excellent option. You have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.